not? Oh, God.
You got one?
Something big. That's something.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing some fishing. This is the first morning in a while I've had an easy time waking up. We recently just got back from New Zealand, you know, and the time change is way off, but it doesn't exactly make sense because that would be kind of behind because we went to bed there when it was like 1 a.m. here. I don't know. Either way, we're hoping to catch some fish this morning. And I've had a hard time waking up for quite a while, but this morning, it wasn't too bad. This is the first time it's the first time in quite a while I've woken up early just to go fishing. You know, usually I've done that quite a few times for trout season, but no, I'm pretty excited. Hopefully we get on something. Should be a good time. Oh, dude.
Another one?
Yeah.
It was more.
Dude!
Oh my God.
Holy cow! Jake, that thing is huge! Dude!
You might be going and getting a bucket. That thing is.
Dude, that is huge.
Ooh.
You got one?
We need to go get a bucket. We need to go get
God
a bucket.
damn it, you guys!
We doubled up! Stop, bro.
Here, Stan, take a nice picture of it.
Ah!
Here you go. Thank you, little buddy.
Now my turn.
He took
to
off
catch
fast.
this guy.
I wonder why there's so many of just those bass.
I don't know. Jake, over there where I caught that cart,
Yeah, you caught him down that way.
I thought over
Dude.
there.
Are you serious?
Another. Oh, he popped off. He came off. Same thing?
How big does he look?
He looks good.
Yeah. Listen, good. There again, I'm fucking picking up. Dude, get the camera.
Go. You get one, Stan?
What happened?
I don't know what we got here. Something smaller. What is this? Dude, that is so bright. Look at the colors on that bluegill. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've never seen a bluegill with like that bright of colors. Where's he at? Did he swim off? I think he got away. Got another one, little one. Looks like another bluegill. These guys are really pretty in here. I don't know if it's the time. These fish are really pretty. I don't know if it's the time of year or what. These bluegill. Here we go. See if we can get this guy back in the water real quick. Thank you, buddy. Oh.
For at least some basketball.
We're already soaked. It don't matter.
Well, alright, what?
Dude, this river's picking up.
Thanks, Daffy.
Don't
My
go
curve.
down.
Holy shit, I'm taking curve.
Don't go down.
Holy shit!
Grab him!
My ass!
Watch out for
My
that rock.
back.
Did he pop off? Nope, got something. Oh no, what is that?
Carp.
That's a different kind of carp. That's not like a common.
That's the one me and Stan were catching. That's what I thought it was.
No, these are, you know those things we caught when we were trout fishing that one time below my house?
Aren't they like suckers? Oh, not. Oh, God.
You got one?
Something big.
That's kind of weird.
What is that? Another bass?
The bass. Woo! Look at that thing. Stan, you want to get our picture together?
Dude, that's awesome. Yeah.
Maybe not. See, why couldn't fishing be like this?
What?
Like, I don't need to catch everything every cast, but I do like to have a little bit of like,
Catching stuff? Yeah, that's fun.
even like,
Oh, that's a good one right there.
how's that lure looking, Stan?
I don't think it's working now.
Is it destroyed?
Yeah, it's still
Oh, dude. I just had a good bite. Is he? There's no way he's on. I just had a good bite. I don't know what that was, but I had a good bite. I caught something. I don't know what this thing is. It's little.
Huh?
Little bass. That might be a largemouth, Jake. No, never mind. Stan, this would be perfect for your fish tank.
Do it, girls.
Get a bigger fish tank.
We'll get you one bigger one. We just Stan just put it in the kiddie pool in the shed. $50 to fish in here, kids. No, I just like going up.
Oh, dude. Did he pop off? Nope, I still got him.
I might need to re-rig Stan up.
Why? Oh, yeah.
I would have swore that was good. I mean, he did catch a bass off.
Oh, dude. This thing's got something funky going on in his mouth.
What is it?
I don't know if he's been caught before and he's got some kind of infection or what.
I probably would not touch that.
Let me see it.
He might be.
Can you see that? It's like pink right there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, let me know. What is that? It's like some kind of infection he's got in his mouth.
I said if you're late to work, you can always be more late, but if you're late more,
I don't think you said that right.
I did not say that. I'm trying to think.
You're a thinker, aren't you, Jake?
You're a big thinker, aren't you? You're a big little thinker.
no, it released.
You gotta set the hook.
Dude,
You're
I'm not going this way.
Go that way.
I am not going that way.
That one way we want.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a little different than what I usually do. You know, my friend and I were just getting into fishing. So you know we're interested in trying new things, like different types of fishing, different lures, all of that stuff. It was pretty interesting this time around. But if you guys do like these types of videos, be sure to let me know and I'll try to make some more. But this is going to be all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. There's one something. Bunch of little fish in here. I don't know if you guys can see them or not.